Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the exciting world of natural language processing and machine learning. In today's video, we shall dive into the fascinating realm of collecting prompting data using Hugging Face Chat and Selenium. What is Hugging Face Chat? Hugging Face Chat, powered by the incredible GPT 3.5 architecture, allows us to interact with a large language model and gather valuable training data. And with the help of Selenium, a powerful web automation tool, we can automate the data collection process. So before we jump right in, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our exciting content. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to set up Selenium and the appropriate web driver for our browser. Once that's done, we can write a script that launches the Hugging Face Chat interface in our browser. As you can see, we are using Selenium to locate the necessary HTML elements and simulate user interactions such as sending messages and receiving response. The beauty of this approach is that we can collect a large amount of high quality prompting data without manually typing each prompt. It saves us time and ensures consistency across of our data. Imagine training a large language model to assist with customer support or creating a chatbot for your website. By collecting diverse and relative prompting data, we can train our models to respond intelligently to a wider range of user queries. So, using Hugging Face Chat and Selenium, we can efficiently gather prompting data for training our large language models. So, first of all, we have to install Selenium package using this command. Now we are importing essential libraries. Now we are configuring Chrome driver path. As you can see, we have set the Chrome driver path here and URL of Hugging Face Chat. We have already downloaded the Chrome driver and we have already set the path of Chrome driver here. A new window has been opened, you can see. Then we have to access sign in button. You can see this is a sign in button to sign in with Hugging Face. So we have to access this sign in button. Go to inspect section, click on this arrow button and click on this sign in with Hugging Face. You can see this area has turned into blue. So we have to extract the X path of this sign in button. So to access this X path, we have to control F. As you can see, the element here used is called button. So we will use this X path to access sign in with Hugging Face. Right here, forward slashes, then this form button. Here we have to specify a specific class. This is the class we have to specify. Add class, bracket close, then button. So this is the X path of this sign in button. We have successfully defined X path. So we have X path here. We have already extracted the X path of this sign. Filling up of input field with email and password. We have to define X path of email, password and login button. Similarly, to access the XPath of username or email address and password and login button. We have already extracted. We have to specify a label index 1 double slashes input, then specify a specific class which is a form input. Similarly, for password we have XPath. This is the XPath. Label index 2, this is the label, this is the first label index 1, this is the label index 2, and similarly we have class which is a form input class. Similarly, for login button, this is the XPath. Access this login button, we are using this XPath. This is the Hugging Face chat interface. In my case, the authorization access has been skipped. So if you encounter with the authorization access, you can use this line of code. So here we are using a code which will enter prompt in Hugging Face chat. You can see a prompt has been entered and it's generating response. You can see the response has been generating and we have got the response. So now we are automate this whole code and you can see how we can extract the prompting data from Hugging Face chat using Selenium to train in large language models. So first of all, we are closing this Chrome driver and running all this code at once. you can see data has been generated and extracted successfully. So this is the complete process how we can automate the whole process to access the prompting data in order to train large language models. Stay tuned for future videos where we can explore more exciting topics in the world of machine learning and natural language process. Thank you for watching.